Let me show you how we can wake up Samsung Galaxy S25. So the main way to wake up the phone is by using the power button. You can simply press the power button once in order to show the lock screen, if it's of course enabled. If you have the screen lock password, then you will see the lock screen, and then you can enter the password or use a biometric in order to unlock your phone. The second method is by using double tap, which can be also enabled and disabled. So even if you are in the home screen, you can double tap in order to quickly lock the phone, and double tap in order to go to the lock screen again. Besides that, there's also lift to wake option that allows you to automatically turn on the screen and wake up the phone whenever you pick it up. And let's go to the settings, and over here in advanced features, if you go to motions and gestures, then here we have these three options that I am talking about. So we have the double tap gestures. More specifically, you are interested in this one, double tap to turn on the screen. This allows you to double tap in order to wake up the phone, which can be of course enabled and disabled. And the lift to wake option, the first option that allows you to turn on the screen automatically when you pick up your phone. And that is it. Thanks for watching. Leave a like and subscribe to my channel, and see you in my next videos. Bye.